So let's look together at the first example, or the first persona, which is basically a persona of a university professor and researcher. It could be also fit for a university professor, researcher / consultant or advisor. So basically, in this first block, we want to make sure that ChatGPT knows who is he dealing with exactly. So we want to communicate to the ChatGPT or summarize what is your occupation, what is your location, what is your subject matter expertise, what is your institution if you're actually working in an institution, what is your interests, and of course other elements which might help the model understands better who you are. So if we go for this example and we start actually building the persona that we are going to communicate to ChatGPT. So the first thing first is you want to define what is the persona. So here in this example specifically, we're talking about the persona of a university professor and researcher. You have to specify the title of the persona that you're designing. Now, the very first point is the location. So first here, I can specify the location as based in Dubai, in UAE, United Arab Emirates. And then second of all is I am a university professor, researcher, and strategic advisor. Okay. Element number 3 is subject matter expertise. So here I can just put keynotes or key terms for my subject matter expertise. So I can put, for example, innovation, entrepreneurship, artificial intelligence, technology adoption, and digital strategy. That's pretty good. So depending on what you do, you can just use different key terms. And then the institution here, I can just specify the institution. I can say that I work for one of the leading universities in the GCC region, and okay, perfect. And then my interests can be, for example, represented as artificial intelligence, management, artificial intelligence, generative artificial intelligence, could be emerging technologies, etc. And in the last element, you want to specify any other things which you think might help the model to understand better who you are. Here, for example, I can just specify that I have published research on AI, tech, management within top journals in my discipline. Perfect. That sounds pretty good. So now for this, the persona is designed perfectly for ChatGPT to understand. So basically, one of the things I can do is just copy these elements. Okay, so you can either directly write them into the box of the custom instructions here. Okay, or you can just paste them after you have written them in the Excel or Word document. I just use the Excel document because it's pretty simple for use.